as you can see here, we've got the 840 back out. I promise we haven't disappeared. So we've got a few little things to do today. I've done a bit of work since you guys have seen me last. I've pulled out the drive shaft, the exhaust, and I've started pulling apart a bit more in the engine bay. I've pulled out wiring from the back half of the car, pulled it out through the roof, and it's now sitting in the floor of the front half of the car. And I'll show you guys that, alright? So guys, as you can see, as I said, I've pulled some of the wiring out. I've just pulled it out from around there. I've pulled out the old heater vent, and I've started to pull out the brake master cylinder and clutch master cylinder. The wiring for the back half of the car was run up through this pillar here. It was run up through there and along the roof here, and it came out the back down here. And I've already pulled all that out. I'll jump on the ground and see if I can show you guys where the drive shaft was and where the exhaust was, and I'll tell you guys how that came out. Give you guys a quick brief over that, and might need to grab the torch. Where is it? Here we go. So as you guys can see, I've pulled out the drive shaft and the exhaust, which used to be here. Also, as you can see, there's a hanger up there that it was hung on, one on the back of the car, and then there was a bracket up the front as well, and that's come out. So we've got them out, and next step now, like the next biggest thing we need to do is get the motor out, so then we can get it, because once the motor's out, we'll get it out. We'll get the transmission out at the same time, and then we'll have a little bit more room in the engine bay where we can actually start stripping down the rest of the engine bay and actually get some rust repair starting. So guys, in today's video, I've decided that we're going to attempt to pull out the rest of the wiring from behind the dash and see if we can get all the wiring out of the car, because that just makes it a little bit more simple. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with what wiring's left. It's not much, it's just this wiring behind the dash here that goes up to the speedo. What else is here? I think it's indicator switch and a couple more switches up here. It's only a few things, and then I think we have some wires running to the wiper motor down there, and that's about it left for wiring in the car. So we'll try and get that out today and see how we go, alright? Talk to you guys. I'll put you guys on a stand and let's see how we go. Today I had some tape holding up a piece of PVC pipe that I've run down through the little hole in between the dash and the A-pillar. Run me little mount on the top and just used a bit of tape to steady it. So yeah, I'd like to see you guys in the next video. Sorry for the delay for this video, I was busy with school. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment, and share this to friends and family, alright? See you guys in the next video, and peace.